back. This is Osmosis FX, and you're live on my YouTube page. You all know how it is. Okay, do like, subscribe, guys. Comment. I always read your comments and I always respond. So we are up for GJ week 3, and I was also saying last week we had a good push on GJ, which was this candle on last week when price tapped into here. We have a good push for last week, and we were able to break last week high, and the low is kept. So what is the expectation for GJ? GJ for me is still bullish continuation on GJ, because let me say week high at the edge, middle to the right hand side, which is the same thing, week low, middle, right hand side. Okay, so I was expecting price to come into this mitigation zone, but price created a rally base. You can see all this break of structure didn't close there. The one that actually closed above came from this push here, so that was why I was looking for buy setups in this zone. And when price entered inside this zone, we saw a good bullish entry. I did saw about 2 entries, but I didn't hold for long, but because it was a little bit extremely slow. Yeah, I can see it's extremely slow. So what is my expectation here? True trend line shows that we should be breaking to the downside, but because of this monthly high, we are very close to this monthly high, and I see no reason why we should now drop in here instead of taking this one first. You understand what I mean? I see no reason why coming here before taking. The distance between the price to the targeted high and the price to the demand zone is way like 1 to like 5. So the possibility of retracing is very low. The possibility of taking out this high is very high. That's why it's a little bit slim. So I prefer to take out this high than come back to retrace in here. So with that, I concluded that I'm not selling. Of course, we have some liquidities here, and at the same time we still have some demand there also, because this is still a rally based rally formation. So we still have this base, and you can see this is the only kind that closed after price came into it, and we are pushing. So we are still in for the good run on GJ. So let me reduce this to about 15, and let me target monthly demand. Okay, visibility. Okay, don't want it on minutes. On Harley, Harley. I don't want it on Harley, so let me just save it as monthly. And also this color is a disaster because I have this color common. So let me use something a little bit more like this. Okay, let me use this. Save it as monthly. Monthly demand. So alright, that's that in monthly. So this is still monthly demand, so and price mitigates it, and we are pushing out for this guy. So with that, on my weekly, what do I have? On my weekly, you can see how up the trend is here. So before I see this trend break, this high must be taken first. After that high gets taken, then if I say sell setup, good, I'll look to take out this to come into a more extreme demand zone. For now, we are still bullish on what's it called? We are still bullish on GJ. So let's see what we have on the daily when we tap into. So on the daily, this is just a retracement supply, and I feel like I should just see what the retracement supply will do. My daily, and what's this? Is this weekly? Daily? It's not my daily demand now. Is that my daily demand is? Yeah, I know that's not my daily. Okay. So here we have this unmitigated, we have this inducement. Okay, I need to label inducement properly. Do I have it already? Inducement. No, I don't have it. So let me see. This is what daily. Okay. Inducement. Inducement, middle. And this. So inducement. Okay. So I have this inducement. So we might see a sell setup in here. If a sell setup in here is formed, then we sell down to this demand. So let me just expand this a little. Yeah. So okay. So if you see a sell setup in here, we head down for this demand to take everything out, and so let's say I have this, I will still need it here. So this is my target. So what is my weekly low? I'm gonna say weekly high. I'm not saying the low. How happened? Weekly low. Visibility. So let's go back in here. So I need to take out this weekly low. This is a drop based drop formation, and price is present inside here. So if I see a sell setup, I'll probably come in here, and my sell setup should be on the 4 hour. Not even if I see a 4 hour sell setup, yeah, I'll aim for this demand. Let's say zone in zone, weekly, daily, for a very solid zone. So that's an extra confirmation. So in here I would love to see a drop-based drop formation right here. I'd love to see a drop-based drop formation. So this is also an inducement. Good. Nice. Tap into it. So we've not seen a very good closure of a candle. The only one here is this 3 candle evening star. I'll just wait to see what we have first. I've not seen a drop, we've not taken any high, we've not changed, but in a lower time frame we've done that. So in here, let's just wait to see a verification of this. So target will be this week low. That will be the target. So everything here that rallied up must be taken. Everything here like this must be taken out. This is 4 hour. So all this trendline liquidity need to go. So we need to see a sell setup formation in here at first. So let's go down to on 45 minutes. I spot the first chalk here, which I didn't take this trade. I'm not inside this trade, though I dropped this trade in the signal group, but I'm not taking it yet because this trade might work out 95%. Why? Because this is a demand zone, so we might first retrace back into this demand and push higher. At least we should take in maybe like 50% or somewhere around there before we sell off. So, but the way the correction started here is why I was looking at this sell setup to at least come into this imbalance here. We have an imbalance here. So, and the way price is reacting inside the zone, it's a little bit interesting. It's not a wrong way, it's a good way. So I just look for sell setup. If I see the sell setup, take out this is where I'm interested now. So if this guy takes out this would be my 4 hour demand. Let me go back to 4 hour. Where is my next 4 hour demand? Yeah, so this should be my next 4 hour demand. And do I have imbalance? I have imbalance here. Can't find my imbalance again, so just leave it for now. There's an imbalance here, 938. Okay, so in here should be a 4 hour change of character. So if price takes this out, boom, then I would love to see continuation. So this is where we are. You can see 4 hour, you can see So we need to see reaction inside this zone first. We need a reaction inside this zone. So I dropped this, but I'm not taking it. I'm just looking at it. So guys, I'm still in for the buy setup, but because of the lower time frame discomforts, we are retracing, so we might sell. Thank you guys. This is GJ with free. Love you guys. Do like, subscribe as I see you in the next week.